Hello friends, today in this video I will show you fixed internet microphone is missing in Windows 11 or 10. So how to fix this problem? So firstly you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. So click on search and search troubleshoot settings and open it. Now click on other troubleshoots. Now scroll down and you see this recording audio, so click on run. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be complete. So which of these device do you want to troubleshoot? So select your device like microphone, so select it and click on next. Now close it and your problem will be fixed. If it does not fix, so try second method. Search CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now here type this command line. If you comment, so I will give in description box. So just copy and paste this command. Just right click on it. So this is easily paste. Now press enter in your keyboard. So this type of small screen will be open. So you need to click on next and wait, this process will be complete. So now click on skip this fix and close it. Now restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video. This method will be work for you or not, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.